What's the meaning of after image? After image. After image. After image. After image. After image. An after image is a visual phenomenon that occurs when a person stares at a bright light or colorful object for a prolonged period and then looks away. The result is an illusion of the same image appearing in a different color or shape. This is because the cells in the retina that detect color and shape become fatigued and continue to send signals to the brain, creating an image even though the original stimulus has been removed. After images can also occur due to neurological or medical conditions affecting vision.